hell did that come from? I guess I should be happy to be alive. I seem to be all intact. But damn! Why is it so dark and cramped in here? I can barely move. Oh my god. Where's Tristan? Tristan? Tristan, where are you? Tristan, please answer me. Any sound will do. Just something to let me know you're alive. Tristan! Oh, I can feel your hand. Oh, thank God you're alive. It's okay, Tristan. We're going to get out of this. I promise to find a way out. Just stay awake for me, okay? Let me just try to shift. Okay, that's definitely not gonna work. Every time we try to move, I can hear the rocks shifting above us. Moving anymore can bring this whole thing down on top of us. Okay, let's do what nurses do best. Assess the situation and act accordingly. It's dark, cramped. Any movement could cause a complete cave-in of the rubble above us, and Tristan is barely holding on to consciousness. Brute force is definitely not an option, and the odds really seem stacked against us. God, why did this have to happen? I was only trying to do my job. I don't even know if any of my colleagues are alive or if this area is even safe anymore. We could be smack dab in the middle of enemy territory by now. I could yell for help, but who knows if anyone would hear us or who would show up. I don't want to die. Okay, get yourself together, Lauren. Okay, enough of this feeling sorry for yourself crap. You were a trained military nurse. Think, Lauren, think. My only option right now is to call out for help and keep Tristan awake. Tristan? You still with me? Do you feel that? That's me squeezing your hand. I'm right here with you, and neither of us is dying here today. You hear me? You have to keep yourself awake. Help! Somebody, help us! We're down here! Help! Somebody? Anybody? It's no use. No one can hear me. And beyond that, there isn't a whole lot of air down here. Okay, keep it together, Lauren. Keep it together for Tristan. You didn't save him once just so he could die under a pile of rubble. You can try again in a few minutes. Speaking of saving lives, it was pretty noble what he did for me back there. Coming to my rescue when a superior tried to get a little too handsy. Tristan definitely deserves a huge thank you after this whole ordeal is over with. What am I hearing? A whistle? Tristan, where'd you get that whistle from? Have you had that this whole time? Tristan, I could just kiss you right now. You may have just figured out a way to save us. Listen to me carefully. I need you to pass that whistle over to me. I know it's dark and cramped and you were injured, but all you have to do is put the whistle in my hand. I can take it from there. You can do this, Tristan. I know you can. There you go. Just a little bit farther. Almost got it. Yes. Now, conserve your strength. You're gonna need it when we get rescued. Well, here goes nothing. Tristan, stop being so negative. Someone will hear us. I already told you that no one is dying here today, especially like this. We just have to keep trying. Tristan, do you hear that? I hear voices. We're saved. I told you this would work. Down here. We're here. I don't know if they can hear me. What's this? Lead pipes? Yes, these work perfectly. Tristan, I can see light now. It won't be long now. We'll be free in no time. Just hang on. What? What do you mean that's German voices? No. Oh, please, God, no.